Want to change the date on your photos because they're showing the wrong time? It's important to have the correct date so your photos stay organized and easy to find. Here's how you can update the date on your Samsung phone's photos. Let's get started. First, open up the Gallery app. Then select the photos. After that, tap on the three dots from the bottom right corner. Then tap on Edit Date and Time. Now change your date. And then tap on Done. It will take time to update the date. And done. If you want to change the date for a single picture, then open the photo. Next, tap on the eye icon. Here you'll find the Edit option next to the date. Just tap on it, then tap on the date. Now change your date, and then tap on Done. Finally, tap Save from the below. And done. That's it for now. I hope you liked this video. If it helped you, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.